Hi guys, if your door stopper has stopped working like mine, I'm gonna show you a trick to fix it in just 5 rupees. So what you need is this tube or a rubber. If you have it at home, very good. If you don't, then go to a local bicycle shop. They have plenty. He gave it to me for free. So the first step is to clean the rubber and cut exactly your door stopper shape. So the cutout is ready. Now I am going to clean the dust from the stopper also to fix it properly. I have this, it's called Regmal in Hindi. You can clean it with the scrub also. So remove all the dust and lastly apply the Fevikwik to all the corners of the stopper and immediately fix the rubber cutout on it and allow it to dry for 2 minutes. You are good to use. Just see the magic. By spending 5 rupees only, my door stopper has become just like a new one. So I hope you also loved the trick and the video. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.